In this video, I will be showing you how to use your Gorilla tripod. Honestly, it's super simple and pretty self-explanatory. The tripod is very adjustable, so you're able to move the legs into really any way you want to set up the camera anywhere. I typically use this type of tripod with desk interviews, just because it keeps it condensed and it's easy to use. There's also a leveler on the tripod to make sure that your shot is nice and straight. Now I'll show you how to attach the tripod to the bottom of the camera. So you detach that little piece and you'll need to tighten it to the bottom of the camera. I typically use a quarter, but in this video I am using a peso. It doesn't matter what type of coin you use. What matters is that you tighten it as tight as possible. You don't want the camera somehow getting a little loose and then falling off of the tripod and then just breaking it, because that would be bad. So then once you tighten the camera, you're able to attach it onto the Gorilla tripod, and boom, it's done. It stays, and you can just set up the tripod however you want. I honestly love this tripod just because of how simple it is.